This is our Unit 5 paper slide video project for Will Solio and Alan Burns. In our first problem, we have linear growth. So, William Solio started making one sandwich a day on January 1st, 2025. But he started growing, so he had to make one more sandwich than he made the last day each day. How many sandwiches will he make 10 days later? And so we have our equations, which is like, we got output equals input plus 1, and if you actually solve for the problem, then that would give you 11. And we have an example of using that to the right, which is output equals input plus 1, which is our equation, and then we put in 5 as the output, and then we got 4 as the input. And then we also have an example of finding an output. So we put in 2 as the input and found 3 as the output. And we also have our next equals now equation. And that is next equals now plus 1 starting from 1. And we have our graph, which shows the growth, and our table, which lists the values. Yes, that is it.
This is exponential growth. Tyler sold a car for $25,000. He gets 10% of the total cost every year. How much money will he have in 4 years? So this is the equation, and you get 36,602.5. And next equals now times 0.10, and start is $25,000. And so this is the equation, 25,000 times 1.1 to the 5th. So then you get $4,026.27. Here's another example. Y equals 25,000 times 1.1 to the x. And then you plug in 50,000 equals 25,000 times 1.1 to the x, and you get 8. Here's our graph, and here's our table. Here's linear decay. Carl went to the gym day 1 for 12 hours. After that, he went 1 hour less each day. How many hours will he work out by day 7? So the next equals now minus 1, start is 12, and the output is output equals input x minus 1 plus 13. So then output equals input minus 1 plus 13. Output equals -5 minus 1 plus 13, and then you get 8. Here's another example. Output equals input minus 1 plus 13. You plug in 5, and then you would get 8 also. Here's the graph, and here's the
Oh yeah, so this is exponential decay. And so in this, William Solio bought a Lamborghini for $10,000 in 2015, and its value depreciated by 9% each year. So how much would it be worth in 2020? Well, it'd be worth $6,240.32 because of our equation, which solved it. And we have another example of using our equation to solve for 6 years later, which gives you $5,678.69. And we also have an example of solving to find when it would be worth exactly $5,000. And according to the calculator, the first year that it is worth $5,000 or less is 7 years later. And we also have our next equals now equation, which is next equals now times 0.91 start equals 10,000. And we also have our graph and our table. Our graph shows it go from 10,000 all the way down to about close to the low 6,000 range. And we also have our tables on this side. And that's it. Yeah.